Let us start ICSE Class 10th Mathematics Chapter 7 Factor Theorem Factorization. You see question number 15. Factorize using the remainder theorem. Here we have to use remainder theorem. You see the first question is first part of it. That is x cube minus 19x minus 30. So we have to factorize it. Here you see the constant is 30. So the possible factors are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, plus minus 6, plus minus 10, plus minus 15, plus minus 30. These are the factors of minus 30, which is the constant term. Here by trial method you can tell, because we know that neither plus 1 nor minus 1 will be the factor or root of this, because you see the sum of the coefficient is not equal to 0, so x minus 1 is not a factor. Here the coefficient of odd power, you see minus 19 and plus 1, that is minus 18, it is not equal to minus 30. Therefore, x plus 1 will not be the factor. Hence, we will not try for this. Let us proceed for x is equal to minus 2. See, I have just put the value of x is equal to minus 2. So, minus 2 raised to power 3 minus 19 into minus 2 minus 30. You see, it will be minus 8. It will become plus 38. It will become minus 30. Now add them, you will get 0. It means that x equal to minus 2 is one of the zeros of this cubic polynomial. So x plus 2 is a factor. Now put x is equal to minus 3. We will get minus 3 raised to power 3 minus 19 in bracket minus 3 minus 30. You see, minus 3 raised to power 3 will be minus 27. Minus 19 into minus 3, that will be plus 57. Minus 30 as it is. Now add them, you will get 0. Hence, x is equal to minus 3 is one of the zeros. Therefore, the x plus 3 is a factor. Now, as per, you see, alpha into beta, beta into gamma, and gamma into alpha is equal to minus 19. You see here, minus 19 means sum of the product of the two factor at a time, taken two at a time, will be equal to the coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. So here you see alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus 19. Yesterday I have told you that, you see, alpha beta beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C by A. What is C? C is the coefficient of x and A is the coefficient of x cube. So, alpha into beta, beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha is equal to C by A. This formula just I am telling you. So, here you see, if you just substitute minus 2 into minus 3, because we have got minus 2 and minus 3. So, two roots we have got, that is minus 2 and minus 3. So, just multiply minus 2 into minus 3. So, minus 2 into gamma, minus 3 into gamma should be equal to minus 19. You solve it, you will get gamma is equal to 5. So, rather going in details of it, so x is equal to 5. Let us proceed from x is equal to 5. Substitute the value of x is equal to 5 in place of x here in the polynomial. You will get 5 raised to power 3 minus 19 into 5 minus 30. You see, cube of 5 is 125. 19 5s are 95 minus 30. You solve it, you will get it is equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 5 is one of the 0 and x minus 5 is a factor. Now the factors are, for this polynomial, factors are x plus 2, second factor is x plus 3 and x minus 5. These are the three factors of the given polynomial, hence it is factorized. Now proceed to the second part of the question number 15, that is x cube plus 7x square minus 21x minus 27. Here the constant term is minus 27. So its possible factors are plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 9, plus minus 27, like that. You see, sum of all coefficient is not equal to 0. You just add the coefficient. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, x cannot be equal to 1. X cannot be equal to 1. Because I have already told you about how to examine about the x plus 1 and x minus 1. Secondly, to examine about this, you see the odd power. Odd power means x raised to power 1, here x raised to power 3. So, minus 21 and plus 1, you just add it, you will get minus 20. Here, if you add 7 and 27, then again you will get minus 20. So the sum of the coefficient of odd power of x, see I repeat again, sum of the coefficient of odd power of x is equal to the sum of the coefficient of the rest of the term. Therefore, x will be equal to minus 1. Now put x is equal to minus 1 and justify whether it is correct or not. Now we see minus 1 raised to power 3, 7 into minus 1 raised to power 2, minus 21 into minus 1 minus 27. Here you will get minus 1. Here you will get 1 into 7. Here minus 1 into minus 21, that will be plus 21. Here minus 27. So on adding all these you will get 0. X is equal to minus 1 is one of the zeros. So therefore the x plus 1 is a factor. Now put x is equal to 3. Now put x is equal to 3. So 3 raised to power 3 plus 7 into 3 raised to power 2 minus 21 into 3 minus 27. And solve it, you will get equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is the second 0 of this polynomial. So x minus 3 is a factor. Put x is equal to minus 9. You see, minus 9 raised to power 3 plus 7 into 9 raised to minus 9 raised to power 2 minus 21 in bracket minus 9 minus 27. So you will get minus 729. Here you will get 567. Here you will get 189. Here you will get minus 27. Now adding the plus term, you will get 756, and adding the negative terms, you will get minus 756. So it will be equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 9 is the third 0. Hence, x plus 9 is a third factor. So x plus 1, x minus 9, x minus 3 and x plus 9 are the factors of this given polynomial. Now you see the third part, that is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus minus 5. So here alpha plus beta plus gamma is again equal to minus in bracket minus 3, that is 3. So alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha will be equal to minus 9. And the product of the three roots, that will be equal to minus into minus 5, that will be plus 5. So the constant term is here minus 5. The possible zeros are plus minus 1, plus minus 5. So here we just see the sum of the odd power of the x, sum of the coefficient of odd power of x is equal to the sum of the coefficient of the rest of the term. You see, 1 minus 9. You see, the power of x is here 3, here power of x is 1. So the odd power, the here coefficient is 1, and here coefficient is minus 9. So add it, you will get 1 minus 9, that is minus 8. And rest of the terms, you see minus 3 and minus 5, that is minus 8. So these two are equal. Therefore, we know that x plus 1 is a factor. Now, once you know that x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, you put x is equal to minus 1 in the given polynomial and justify your answer. So, here minus 1 raised to power 3 minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. Here solve it, you will get minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 minus 5. You will get 9 minus 9, that is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is one of the zeros and x plus 1 is a factor. Now put x is equal to 5. So 5 raised to power 3, you will get 125. Minus 3 into 5 square, that is 75. Minus 9 into 5, minus 45. And minus 5. Solve it, you will get 0. It means that x is equal to 5 is the second of the 0. Second number of the 0. And x minus 5 is a factor. Here two roots are known, or you can say the two zeros are known, that is alpha is equal to minus 1, gamma is equal to 5. As a matter of fact, you know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 3. Here you see minus b by a. So you will get 3. Alpha you know minus 1. Let gamma is equal to 5, we have to find the beta. That is beta will be equal to 3 minus 4. That is minus 1. So alpha is equal to minus 1, beta is equal to minus 1, gamma is equal to 5. So you can also examine it by alpha, beta, gamma, the product of the roots is equal to 5. Let us see, minus 1 into 5, that is equal to 5. Therefore, the factors are x plus 1, x minus 5. So x plus 1 two times, that is why I have written here x plus 1 raised to power 2 into x minus 5. Now proceed to the question number, fourth part of the question number 15, that is 2x cube plus 9x square plus 7x minus 6. Here the constant term is minus 6. So the possible zeros are plus minus 1 by 2, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 6. That's all. So let us try for plus minus 1, which is not applicable here. I have written plus minus 1 is not applicable because On adding the coefficient of all terms, it is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, then it means that x minus 1 is not a factor. And you see the coefficient of odd power. So here 7 and 2, that is 9. But 9 and minus 6, it is not equal. Therefore, it is not applicable. Now put x is equal to minus 2, we have 2 into minus 2 raised to power 3 plus 9 into minus 2 raised to power 2 plus 7 into minus 2 minus 6. You solve it, you will get here minus 16 plus 36 minus 14 minus 6. And solving it, it will be equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to minus 2 is a 0 for the given cubic polynomial. Now put x is equal to 1 by 2. We have 2 into 1 by 2 whole raised to power 3 plus 9 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 7 into, in bracket, that is 1 by 2 minus 6. You solve it, you will get here 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4. Here you will get 9 by 4. Here you will get 7 by 2 minus 6. Now 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4 plus 7 by 2 and minus 6. You just take the LCM 4 for the fractional part. 1 plus 9 plus 14. You see, it will be equal to 24. 24 divided by 4, that will be the 6. So 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Now, you see, x is equal to 1 by 2 is the second root of the given polynomials. And the factor is 2x minus 1. You see, cross multiply the 2x and take the 1 to the left hand side, it will become 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So it will be one of the factor. So far we have two roots, that is minus 2 and 1 by 2. You see, you can just substitute alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is minus 9 by 2. So put here minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus gamma, that is minus 9 by 2. So gamma will be equal to minus 9 by 2 plus 3 by 2. And again you will solve it, you will get minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3. So the value of gamma will be equal to minus 3. Let us examine. 2 into minus 3 raised to power 3 plus 9 into minus 3 raised to power 2 plus 7 into minus 3 equal to minus 6. Minus 6. You solve it, you will get here minus 54 plus 81 minus 21 minus 6 equal to 0. Hence the third root is minus 3 and the third factor is x plus 3. Answer will be, the factors are the 2x minus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. These are the three factors. Here I have just given the hint about this. Alpha into beta into gamma. You see, that is equal to minus into minus 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. So here just examine it. 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 3 and solve it, it will be equal to 3. So we have verified also the roots, about the roots. Now proceed to the question number 16. You see, x minus 3 is the HCF of x cube minus 2x square plus 10x plus 6 and x square minus 5x plus q. So here you see, in x minus 3 is the HCF of x cube minus 2x cube plus px plus 6. It is here px plus 6 and x cube square minus 5x plus q. We have to find the value of 6p plus 5q. As x minus 3 divides both the polynomials being HCF, means HCF can divide the given polynomials. So put x is equal to 3 in both the polynomials. So x 3 raised to power 3 minus 2 into 3 raised to power 2 plus p into 3 plus 6 equal to 0. So here it will be 27 minus 18 plus 3p plus 6 equal to 0. So 3p will be equal to minus 15. Therefore, p will be equal to minus 5. Now, in the second case, 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus q equal to 0. So it will become 9 minus 15 plus q equal to 0. So q will be equal to 6. This will be the second equation. Here from first one we have got the p is equal to minus 5, q is equal to 6. Now substitute the value in 6p plus 5q. So in place of p I have written minus 5, so 6 into minus 5 plus 5 into 6, that is minus 30 plus 30 equal to 0. This will be the answer of question number 16. Now proceed to the question number 17. X cube minus 6x square minus 15x plus 80. Here divisor is x plus 4. So x is equal to minus 4, that will be the 0 or the roots of the cubic polynomial. So now substitute. In place of x, put x is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 raised to power 3 minus 6 into minus 4 raised to power 2 minus 15 into minus 4 plus 80. So it will become minus 64. Here you will get minus 96 plus 60 plus 80. So 100 minus 160 plus 140, that will be equal to minus 20. This minus 20 is the remainder. Now we have to subtract which part, which number should be subtracted. So therefore minus 20 is to be subtracted from the given polynomial. Only then it is divided by x plus 4. So now you see x cube minus 6x square minus 15x plus 80 minus 20, minus in bracket again minus 20, that will give you x cube minus 6x square minus 15x plus 100. If you just divide it by x plus 4, there will be, remainder will be 0, because we have added minus 20. We have subtracted minus 20. Now come to the second part of the 17th question, that is x cube minus 3x square minus 12x minus plus 19. Here divisor is x minus 2. So x is equal to 2, substitute the value. 2 raised to power 3 minus 3 into 2 raised to power 2 minus 12 into 2 plus 19. Here solve it, you will get 8 minus 12 minus 24 plus 19. So it will be equal to minus 36 plus 27, that will be equal to minus 9. This will be the remainder. Therefore, in order to neutralize, they have asked what number should be added. So we have to add plus 9. Therefore, plus 9 is to be added. Only then x minus 2 divides the given polynomial exactly. This will be the answer of the second part.